How to use Cash App outside US or if it isn't available in your country or region. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Cash App outside US or how you can use Cash App even though it's not available in your region. Now in my case, you can see I've opened up Cash App in my Google Play and it says this item is not available in your country, but I've still opened it and I've still installed it. Now basically what you can do is you can use a VPN. Now you can head into your Play Store and then what you want to do is you want to search in for a VPN, and once you're searching for VPN, what you want to do is you want to download any one VPN and you want to switch your network to the UK or US server. And once you do so, what you want to do is you want to come back to Google Chrome here, and then what you want to do is you want to switch your account. You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here what you want to do is you want to tap on manage your Google account, or you can tap on the arrow icon at the right hand side, and here you can see you'll get the add another account option, or you can switch to another account, and then you want to search in for Cash App and it should show up here. And once you do so, here what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to download the application, or either what you can do is you can head into Google Chrome and there you can search in for Cash App and you can download it through the alternate links. Once you download it, you want to make sure the VPN is on and you can simply open up Cash App to be able to use it. So this way you can use Cash App outside US. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.